How to log in to Facebook from Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in to your Facebook account through Instagram. Now, if you open up the Instagram account and log into your account here, you'll get the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and on the top right corner of your screen you can find the three-line icon. Now tap on it and you'll get the options, and here tap on settings. Now once on settings, what you want to do is scroll down below and you'll find the option Meta. Now Meta owns both Facebook and Instagram, so it's quite easy to log into each other through certain apps. Now what you want to do is head into Account Center here, and here you can see profiles. Now head into profiles, and here you can add your Facebook account if you don't have one. Now you can see I've already added my Facebook account, so I don't need to add another one, and I have added my Instagram account is already here. So what you want to do if you don't have your Facebook account linked is add account to here and link it to Instagram. And then under manage connected experience, you can see the option logging in with accounts. Now tap on it, and here make sure your blue check mark is on the option allow all accounts to log in to each other. If you link this with your Instagram once, and you will not have to type in your password again and again to log in, and you'll just have an easy access to your account. So this way you can log into Facebook from Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.